Welcome to BikeLegend Pro, your trusted source for the latest updates in the two-wheeler world. Today, we bring you an exciting highlight, the all-new 2025 Tata electric scooter with an impressive 400 km range on a single charge. This launch is set to shake up the EV segment in India with its performance, design, and advanced features. Introduction to the 2025 Tata electric scooter. The 2025 Tata electric scooter is a bold step into the future of urban commuting. Known for their reliability in cars and SUVs, Tata Motors has now extended its innovation into the two-wheeler electric market. This scooter is built to deliver long-distance travel without compromising on efficiency or comfort, making it perfect for city rides as well as extended journeys. Range and battery performance. At the heart of the scooter is its powerful lithium-ion battery pack, designed to deliver an exceptional 400 kilometers of range on a full charge. This milestone range makes it one of the most capable electric scooters in the market. With advanced battery management systems, fast charging technology, and regenerative braking, Tata ensures that every kilometer counts. Charging options include both a rapid fast charger for quick top-ups and a standard home charging unit for overnight convenience. Design and styling. The scooter features a modern, aerodynamic design that blends style with practicality. With sharp LED headlamps, sleek body lines, and premium finish, it appeals to both young riders and professionals. The seating is ergonomically crafted for comfort, while ample under-seat storage and additional utility hooks make it practical for everyday needs. Technology and smart features. Tata has equipped this scooter with a digital touchscreen instrument cluster that provides navigation, battery health status, and smartphone connectivity. Riders can sync their phones for calls, music, and ride statistics, making every trip smarter and more enjoyable. Safety features such as ABS, traction control, and side stand alerts further enhance rider confidence.